Coming up, we will be on location at the DC Endodontic Center in Washington, D.C., discussing the benefits of endodontics and how they can help restore your dental health with one of this region's top dentists, Dr. Angela Noguera. Dr. Noguera received her postgraduate endodontic training from the prestigious Baltimore College of Dental School at the University of Maryland. She is a diplomate of the American Board of Endodontists and is a member of numerous endodontic and dental organizations and is widely recognized as DC's top endodontist. Welcome, Dr. Noguera. It's a pleasure having you on our program.
Thank you, Rocco, for having me here. Enjoyed it very much.
I wanted to begin, if I may, Dr. Noguera, by asking you if you can please tell us what endodontics are for those of us who may not know.
Endodontics is the area of dentistry that really dedicates itself to the very specific area of the nerve system of teeth. It's about diagnosis and treatment of all the diseases that affect the nerve of the teeth. The word actually comes from the Greek endo, which means inside, and odonto, which means tooth.
And how is endodontics different than, say, general dentistry?
General dentistry, it's a very vast area. They cover many different things of dentistry, from prophylaxis and preventive to extractions and fillings and crowns, where in endodontics we are only dedicated to that very specific area, which is the nerve system and all the structures that support the root of the tooth.
What would you say are some of the benefits of endodontics, Dr. Noguera?
One of the greatest benefits is that you get to keep your natural tooth and therefore preserve the beauty of a natural smile.
What problems do endodontists address, like yourself? What are some of the problems folks out there who are watching would realize that they need to come to an endodontist for?
Most of the times it's related to pain, discomfort, swelling, dental abscesses, infections that originate from teeth, or if a patient thinks that it is coming from a tooth, and they could technically see an endodontist for that. These type of problems could be very disabling and eventually affect your speech, affect your sleep, your eating patterns, and ultimately your health. So it's not something we should take lightly, and maybe they should go to see their dentist and have them check it out.
Yeah, and that's a great point you made there as well, because a lot of people don't realize that it's not just a pain or a problem with a particular tooth. You're also looking at one's overall health that could be affected.
Correct. And so it's important. I think that the first stop should be at their general dentist. They're the leaders of the band, and so they will really take a look and determine if they do need to see an endodontist.
We're now going to meet some patients of Dr. Noguera and DC Endodontic Center.
I've been a patient for Dr. Noguera about a year. A year ago I came in because I was having some difficulty with a root canal for one of my veneers on my front teeth, and I had been to 2 previous dentists who were unable to fix it. I came in to see Dr. Noguera, and she did an excellent job. The staff here is terrific. From the minute you walk in the door, it's a lovely place. The aesthetics of the office are terrific. You know, going to a doctor or a dentist for a root canal can be very sort of stressful, if you will, but the staff is very welcoming. They also have the most up-to-date technology here, so it's very easy and welcoming to check in. They don't keep you waiting, of course, when you have a busy schedule. That's important. And it's just a really delightful office and place to be with the people and the surroundings.
I've been a patient of Dr. Noguera's for, I would say, the past 7 years. And the work I've had done was root canal treatment. I had an old cavity from old filling from back when I was young, and it had deteriorated and caused a decay that ultimately led to the need for a root canal. So, you know, I came here, actually it was my first root canal treatment, so I didn't know what to expect, but Dr. Noguera was very professional and